Hey guys, Redeem Troll here, bringing you an awesome shooting test of my m85p using my brand new target that I got a couple days ago. Now it's going to be hard shooting with one hand because I gotta hold the camera, but here we go. Let's try it out. Oh, sound safety. Alright, I'm going to try 5 shots semi-auto, then burst fire, and then a surprise at the end. Well, I think I heard one hit. Alright, let's go check it out. Alright, as you can see, one, two, three, I don't know if you guys can see that one. It's on the red right there. 4, 5 hit the target out of who knows how many. Alright, let's roll those all the way down. Put those all the way at the bottom. Hey guys, sorry for like the wind noises. It's pretty windy out here. Alright, head back. Let's do our surprise. Alright, I'm out. As you can see, all those bullets hit, and that was pretty sweet. Alright guys, this has been Redeem Troll, bringing you an Airsoft shooting test with the m85p on a brand new target. Go to airsoftstation.com, get either of these for who knows how many dollars. But go to Airsoft Station, get yourself some ammo, some guns, some targets, some gear, anything. And this is me signing off.